Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can do sanding using a multi-oscillator tool. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. So guys, in front of you I have this tool which is called, and I'm going to connect, but the most important part is using the correct blade. Okay, so this is the blade that comes along for this purpose, and you have to attach this sanding sheet. Okay, so it can be done easily. Like, let me show you. See, you can take it off and attach. Okay, so you attach it nicely, but after you connect this sanding blade into the tool. So we are gonna go one by one and I'm gonna show you. So step number one, I am gonna connect the sanding blade to this tool. It will go in this direction. Okay, so I'm gonna unlock using this Allen wrench. Okay, so next step is to add it and now tighten it. So I'm going to tighten it. So tighten it correctly and nicely. Third is to attach the sanding paper on it. So that I'm going to do. Okay, so now we are going to connect it the power. So just in order to demo you this, what I have done, I applied some drywall compound on this wooden plank, but yeah, it can be done anywhere. So now I'm gonna turn it on. You see it's coming out right away. You can see how effective it is when you do sanding. All of it came out because it was a very plain surface, but yeah, if you have something like this on drywall or somewhere else, you can see how effective it is. You see within few seconds it came out. You and compare its efficiency if you do the same thing manually. So in this way it can be done. So now let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.